Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we're back with another Tech Tuesday, and we're talking about the Creality CR6 Max 3D printing, some of these tips. Make sure you do like and subscribe. That way you get notifications whenever we're putting out any of these helpful tip videos. If you are subscribed for the tip videos, you'll get a notification on when something new comes out, and hopefully that video helps you out. But what we're doing here is we had some questions again in regards to some of the accessories and some of the components that we utilize in cleaning out the head itself. The question is can you literally take this, the head off itself? This is a 0.4 head for the CR6 Max. Where the filament comes out and then your filament comes out here at the end. Yes, you can take these out. However, we always recommend that you preheat the PLA. Take out the PLA, whatever you're using, PLA Plus. Take out the filament. So do make sure you take out that filament before cleaning it. And this is a maintenance tip. So take that out. And we wanted to show you here in this picture with the needle going into the 0.4 head. So make sure you take that needle in, and you can see the little tip coming out the other end here as you're cleaning it. And we always recommend just doing this with it preheated on the printer and raising it all the way up and making sure it's up, and then sticking the needle in that way and kind of just going in and out real lightly. And as we had talked in the other video, don't shove the needle right up in there, because you will literally break it or bend it or just cause some issues, and it's just not. Take your time. That's the biggest thing. So when you go in and you stick it through, make sure that you pull it in and out, and make sure you clean it out really well. If any particles come out, they'll come off usually in your needle, or they will come out up inside there. Now, another tip that we have found is basically when you do this and you kind of push it all through, take your filament and make sure that, of course, the printer is at that heating stage again. Take your filament, feed it all the way back through, and push it back through until everything starts coming out the end of the head again. The filament starts coming out. That'll push any of that dirt and debris back through. Push it all through, and you'll see the filament coming all out. And then take that off, clean it off, and then pull the filament back through, and you'll see the filament when it comes back through. You'll have that little end piece with the filament where it pulled back through. That'll indicate and ensure you that you have this tip cleaned and it's ready to go. So the only times that you really need to do this is in between printing use and maintenance, and make sure that you don't ever shut down the printer and just let it pretty much dry inside of there. That's where we see a lot of these issues. So we hope this helps in regards to that question. Be watching out for other future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.